Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 24th October 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here doesn't represent our opinions. It's just a reflection of news items in public media. SpaceX has embarked on a fascinating initiative, blending art and technology with their poetry tracking initiative. The poem Accelerate, which delves into themes of technological progress and human exploration, is set to become part of SpaceX's cultural archive for Mars. Currently, it's awaiting executive review at Tesla's headquarters in Austin, Texas. This initiative not only celebrates SpaceX's innovative rocket recovery system, but also aims to immortalize space exploration milestones through the art of poetry. The poem has already sparked some interest, being shared 42 times on social media and viewed by a handful of SpaceX employees. It's scheduled for an executive reading soon, and for those curious, Sarah Wrights is the contact person for the Poetry for Mars initiative. In a move that has stirred discussions on privacy and public interest, Meta's Threads has suspended accounts tracking the private jet travels of high-profile figures, including Elon Musk. These accounts, managed by college student Jack Sweeney, were removed for allegedly breaching Meta's privacy policy. This policy aims to mitigate risks of physical harm to individuals. Sweeney's jet tracking activities had previously faced bans on Twitter following Musk's acquisition of the platform. Despite the flight data being publicly accessible via the FAA, celebrities like Musk have expressed privacy concerns, even threatening legal action against Sweeney. The situation underscores the delicate balance between public curiosity and individual privacy rights, especially for those in the public eye. Elon Musk finds himself under scrutiny from the US Department of Justice over a $1 million giveaway aimed at registered voters. This initiative, promoted through Musk's America PAC, seeks to incentivize voter registration in key swing states. However, federal law prohibits offering compensation for voter registration, raising legal concerns. The DOJ's Public Integrity section has issued a warning to Musk's PAC, highlighting potential legal violations. Despite the warning, America PAC officials maintain that the sweepstakes is legal. This situation highlights the complex interplay of campaign finance, voter engagement, and legal compliance as elections approach. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories intriguing and informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.